Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Telegram call history. So the first step is to open the Telegram app. So when it's open, now simply you will see and the first chat is the cancelled call. So you can open it, but this is not the call history. So you will what to do, just go back in the top left corner of three lines of settings, click to it, and you will see the fifth option is the calls. You will just click to the calls. So from here is your call history of Telegram, which is the user's incoming calls and outgoing calls history. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.